Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in CSS Flexbox. Apply the flex direction property to create rows in tweet embed. So, the header and footer in tweet embed example have child items that could be arranged as rows using flex direction property. This tells CSS to align children horizontally. So in flex direction, the task provided is add the CSS property flex direction to both the header and footer and set the value to row. So it won't do anything, but let's write down flex direction colon flex direction is in header row. It doesn't change anything, and in case of here flex direction row here. So the header should have flex direction property set to do. The footer should have flex direction property set to do, and I have set for both. And since it is default value also, therefore there was no change in the content as it was before. It was so run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.